Dr. Andreas Scaparis is one of the most sought-after cosmetic surgeons in the whole of the island. Registered with the General Medical Council in the United Kingdom, he is the founder of the Larnaca Centre for Cosmetic Surgery.
Our main goal as a centre in Larnaca is to offer a very good to excellent outcome from the surgery. Our patients to have a good experience during their stay to Cyprus, and also to offer them a complete follow-up, because I believe this is very essential for achieving the best result in cosmetic surgery.
Debbie Latewood, a children's nursery manager, Jill Penny, a professional lookalike artiste, and Susan Webster, an NHS department manager, have all travelled from the United Kingdom to have surgery with Dr. Scaparis. This is their story.
Right, well, I'm here in Larnaca in Cyprus. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very excited to have my operation. I can't wait to see the results. I'm sure it will make me 100% happier. It will move me forward. It will help me to move on in terms of my exercise regime. It will help me to overcome the fears I've had since I've had my daughter. And I think it will make my home life happier, because I'll be happier.
My name's Sue Webster. I'm from Manchester. I'm 55 years old and I work for the NHS as an administrator for a large hospital in Manchester, a large maternity hospital. I've been thinking about having surgery for quite a few years, maybe 2 or 3, and I started actually seriously looking into it 2 years ago. I'd sort of contacted a couple of clinics and gone for a couple of consultations, but then didn't have the courage to follow it through. And then I started looking again a few months ago and I found surgery in Cyprus. And I thought, never thought of going abroad before. So I started to look into it, check the clinics out, check the doctor out, check the actual procedures out of what I was having done. And I thought, well, why not? You're going away, it's in a different country, nobody's going to see you, nobody knows you. Fabulous as far as I'm concerned. Have the surgery, recover, and go home a different me.
All 3 ladies realised that in travelling to Cyprus for their respective surgeries, they could save up to 35% of the costs they were quoted within the United Kingdom, even taking into consideration the costs of hotels and flights. The business of medical tourism is a global phenomenon that now involves health providers in most countries of the world, all competing for a share of the vast numbers of international health travellers that leave their own countries every hour of every day to have some type of surgery or treatment abroad, sometimes travelling from one end of the globe to the other. The question is, why? The St. Raphael Private Hospital is the first and only private hospital in Larnaca, Cyprus, and is the front runner in medical expertise, cutting-edge technology innovation with the highest levels of patient care. Designed and built to European specifications, the new deluxe modern facility places a firm emphasis on providing a friendly atmosphere to facilitate your treatment or recovery, whilst boasting a team of some of the very best doctors and specialists on the island. St. Raphael Hospital is fully equipped to provide the highest levels of medical care in all fields of medicine. Angela Constantinides is the General Manager of the St. Raphael, and we asked her, what is it that makes her hospital so special and popular with international patients?
Cyprus is an ideal destination for the UK patient. Everybody here speaks English, the food and weather is great. You can even have your post-op physiotherapy in the nearby sea. We have 0 rates of infection, and all my staff are trained to the highest standard, as you would expect.
When international patients travel to another country for their respective treatments, accommodation has a vital role to play. Where to stay and how much to pay can determine just how cost-effective travelling abroad for surgery will be. Amadora Villas, a private luxury villa rental company in Promotional, just 25 minutes from Larnaca, offer a truly luxurious level of accommodation to the international patients who perhaps prefer the peace and quiet of the smaller town lifestyle after having had their surgery.
We have spent the last 3 years developing what we now believe to be the leading luxury villa rental company in the whole of Cyprus. We have a fully serviced office here in Promotional, and being the only villa rental company in Cyprus who actually own our own properties, you can be assured that we maintain the highest level of service for our guests.
In Promotional, there are a number of truly authentic restaurants that provide the traditional Cypriot atmosphere. The Napa Tavern in nearby Larnaca is one such eatery, providing traditional cuisine along with traditional entertainment. The building itself dates back several hundreds of years and allows the diner to enjoy one of the best meze menus on the Larnaca coastline, just 20 minutes from Larnaca. The Blue Spice restaurant on the Panera seafront boasts amazing views of the ocean and provides world-class culinary offerings in beautiful surroundings, 7 days and 7 nights of the week. All of the major cities of Cyprus provide a level of healthcare that could help to reduce NHS waiting lists almost immediately. Larnaca, Paphos, Nicosia, Limassol all boast world-class hospitals that are ready to provide the highest levels of healthcare to those who need surgery now. The doors to Mediterranean healthcare are now open, here in Cyprus.